It's raining.
Yeah, we're gonna get wet getting the paper this morning.
I'm sorry, it's not pouring though, but it is raining.
Yeah.
I guess the guys are thinking it's supposed to clear up this afternoon, and the guys are thinking they'll put the rest of the outside wire, and maybe if it comes in at Home Depot, the inside screen.
I haven't checked my phone yet this morning to see if the notification that's ready for pickup.
Yeah. So we're just gonna lounge this morning, though. It's one of those lounge kind of mornings.
Yeah, it works for me. I got a whole pot of coffee to keep me company and a pretty girl to boot.
And your newspaper.
Oh yeah, the newspaper. That's right.
Don's taking the van out, come back on the unicycle. I feel bad for Kyle. He's trying to do a bunch of filming today at the track, and it's raining up at the track too. Now the track's near the Virginia border, but yeah, there's rain up there this morning too. There's my panther buddy. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hey, good boy. Well, that silly man is going to get wet. I guess I've been sitting here for a little over 3 hours, and you can see I got a lot of the second floor built, but I'm not done. You know, I'm always done when it's flat across the top, and you can still see the pegs, the bumps up there, so not done. I'm on step 36, but it restarted like in this second part of the build. It's not like the last one where it was continuous, so you know, it's hard to, I don't know how many steps it is so far. It's probably over 70 at least, maybe going on 100. Maybe I'll pick back up tomorrow, probably. Certainly later in the week. The gutter here, and here is not right. I am missing the 1x1 medium gray rectangular pieces. I just don't have anywhere here in the house. I even looked through new kits and everything, so missing that. These two pieces of glass are missing, and there's one glass back here that's missing. As we know, at the end, I'm going to be ordering some pieces. Not really glass, it's plastic, but you know, it's what the window pieces. So anyway, it's been a lot of fun today. The guys have headed up to Home Depot to pick up the screen, the order and pick up in the store. Don got a text message it was ready, and looks like I'm going to be doing the arches over these windows next. You can see that I did not put beige along the front, and that was because I didn't have these pieces here. And I also just kind of like the look of the gray. I didn't really like mixing in the beige. I did leave it on the sides and the back. The sides you never see. You know, when you put the modular side by side with other buildings, you never even see the side. That's why they don't put any windows there. And I'm okay with the beige stripe across the back because I had the parts and that's what it called for. I have the little doggy up there. In the instructions it's a kitty, but I found the doggy. I came to him first and he looked cute. I don't know if I'm gonna, I gotta see how the second floor fits on. I'm thinking in the window or on the steps, or I mean there certainly will be an animal, a pet in the second floor, but I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put that. And yeah, these beige pieces here, whatever other pieces here will be white, and then the gray to match. I should have all of that. My guys are back from Home Depot. It looks like the rain's done.
Yeah.
It's just still wet out here. And they're gonna do the final touch-up things on the Catio, mostly to do with wire and screen.
Yeah, all the above.
The guys are going through a lot of staples, right?
Yeah, that's right. A lot of staples. Luckily, staples are cheap.
You didn't get stainless steel ones.
No, I don't have stainless steel. I don't even have galvanized. It's rusted. JB, it'll be coming down around dead and gone.
You just keep saying that, but I don't know.
Just getting my beans up to boil, up to temperature. I'm fixing to cut them back down to simmer. It's half pinto, half kidney, and I am making the guys chili for dinner because it's Sunday football season and it's damp out there today. I think they'll appreciate a warm, hot meal tonight. Are you telling another story, JB?
Yeah, I just remember my chicken coop I built in Oregon when I was married. Because Jan, we hauled 4 chickens up from California all the way up to Oregon, and then I built this chicken coop for them, and then they never laid another egg after I built the chicken.
Oh,
Life of luxury.
And we were feeding all this money on food every week. And I said, you know, these chickens aren't doing much. But,
hey, you guys attract leaves in my new Catio.
I got a vacuum. When it dries out, you use vacuum.
We have enough of the green wire, but I hear we're out of it, and that Don wanted to use it all up. Continue to use stuff up, so.
Where did I find it?
Well, they might not be much to look at, but I put basil and garlic and salt and pepper and bay leaf and something else, one other seasoning in there too. And God, the whole house, it smells so good right now. Well, all the green wires on the outside, they're working on putting the screen wire on the inside. Don's got these nice little edge pieces that went with the shed that were left over. He's putting like a border. He's got it on the front, but he's going to put it around this side too. Well, you're looking pretty comfy there, JB.
Yeah, well, I'm watching him do all the work.
All you need now is your mattress in there, you know.
No. You have a glass of wine.
Glass of wine, okay.
Yeah, you'll have a glass of wine.
I've been working on the chili while the guys have been working on the Catio. Catio is pretty much finished. I think we still need to put a hasp or a eye hook or something to keep the door open and to keep it closed. I think other than that, it's done. Chili's ready to go. Guys have worked until dark. Of course, tonight it's you know, cloudy, but it's still going on 7 o'clock. So they worked up. JB's pumping up his tires and getting ready to leave in the morning. So I did get back down here and put on all the parts that I have that I could possibly put on. Missing 1, 2, 3, 4 flat gray 1x2s, and I got to trade out 1, 2, 3 dark gray rectangles for light gray rectangles. And I haven't ordered this yet, and I'm still waiting on that. But anything that's easily accessible from the outside is no problem to fix.